I have to go for one day, so Dad is in charge now.
Don't worry, we will be totally fine.
Be nice to each other and listen to Dad, okay?
Okay, Mom, we got this. It feels weird when Mom leaves like that.
Come on, buddy, it's just one day.
Dad, look, I got an A on my math test today.
That's my smart girl. Great job.
I wanted to tell something too.
Sure, go ahead. I'm listening.
I scored a goal today, and everybody cheered for me. Ha!
That's great, son. Good job.
I had so much fun with you.
Me too, Dad.
Here you go, Dad.
Thanks, Anna. You're really helpful.
Why is he always so soft with her? Why do I feel like the extra kid?
Maybe Dad likes Anna more than me. Maybe I'm doing everything wrong. He smiled at her, but he only nodded at me. That felt really bad. Wait, maybe Anna knows how to win him. Then I can do that too. Okay, Dad, game on. I will be your favorite today.
My back is killing me today.
Dad, I can help you. Sit still, Dad. I know what to do. Is this good or too hard?
No, this is actually pretty nice.
Oh no! This is not happening!
Dad, your legs must be tired too. Well, this is a surprise.
Wow, I am getting the full service today.
Because I started first. I can do better than that.
Easy, buddy. I still need that back.
Fine, let me show you real skill.
Found it, my power gloves. Dad's about to feel amazing.
Why do those look dangerous?
Relax, this is pro massage.
Oh, that is a little stronger than I expected.
Strong means effective.
Okay, that's enough now.
He says that because it's working.
Nobody touch me for 10 seconds.
So who won?
There was no winner, only pain.
That sounds a little dramatic. Fine, I'll do something sweet now. Dad will love this.
Fresh orange juice fixes everything. Orange juice? Not on my watch. I'll make strawberry juice. Oh! Dad likes fun stuff. Stop copying me! You started the war. Dad, drink this first, made with love.
That was fast.
No, drink mine first. Mine is prettier.
Why are drinks fighting me now?
Orange is classic and healthy. Strawberry is fun and happy.
I can drink both, no problem.
He finished half, so he wants more.
Then I'll make 2 more. Banana juice is next. Then berry mix is next.
Why does this look like a juice store?
Because we care a lot.
Maybe I should slow down.
You can do it, Dad.
But Dad, you've had too much.
One more sip for me. And one more for me.
My stomach just made a warning sound.
That means it's full of vitamins.
Excuse me right now.
Did he love it too much? Why is he running like that? Maybe juice works really fast.
Dinner should be calm, okay?
Sure, very calm.
I mean it, Tom.
You got it, Dad. Dad, eat this first. It's really good.
Thank you, that looks nice.
Then have these too. You need protein.
That is already a lot.
You need vegetables too, and rice, and chicken, and more rice. You really need to eat more.
Yep, eat it all. Guys, I only have one mouth.
Then we'll help. We'll help. Open up, Dad.
I can feed myself.
No, take mine first.
Why are there 2 spoons?
Chew faster, Dad.
Yeah, we have more coming. Water! I need water!
Oh no, he looks bad. Dad, are you okay?
I need a second to catch my breath.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
Me neither. Go wash up now, both of you.
Okay. We really messed up. Yeah, we did.
They are not bad kids. They just got lost. They think love is a contest. I have to stop that now. Tomorrow I'm gonna scare them a little. Just enough to teach them.
I'll be extra gentle today. Me too, I think.
Kids, come here for a second.
What is it? Dad! What just happened?
Dad!
Dad! Dad! Wake up! Please wake up! Dad, this is not funny. He's not answering. I'm scared. Come on, Dad, get up! I can't do it alone. He's too heavy for me, too. What do we do now? We have to do this together. Okay, together. I'll lift his shoulders. Oh! I'll hold his legs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift. Don't let go, keep going. We did it, he's on the couch. Now get water, quick. Dad, you were pretending?
Yes, and you two were amazing together.
If you fight for my love, nobody wins. But when you help each other, that is the best medicine for me.
Truce, Anna. Dad loves us the same.
Truce. Next time we help him without almost killing him.